Hi everyone, I'm here again to help another parent solve a geometry word problem. Are you ready? Let's begin. The figure shows a parallelogram ABCD and an isosceles triangle BCE. Angle ABE is equal to 36 degrees. Angle ADC is 99 degrees. And line EC and line EB are equal. Find angle DCE. We know that ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal or congruent. I marked here angle ADC and angle ABC red. This is because they are opposite angles. So if angle ADC is 99 degrees, we can also say that angle ABC is also equal to 99 degrees. We can use this information to compute for what angle EBC is equal to. I marked it yellow here so we can easily visualize it. So, to get that, we can deduct 36 degrees from 99 degrees, and the answer is 63 degrees. So, angle EBC is 63 degrees. Triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, the sides EC and EB are equal. That means the base angles are also equal. So if angle EBC is 63 degrees, we can also say that angle ECB is also 63 degrees. In this word problem, we need to find angle DCE. We can use the consecutive angles that I marked blue in this diagram. We know that consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary or are equal to 180 degrees. So that means the 99 degrees plus the 63 degrees plus the unknown that I marked red are equal to 180 degrees. So we can compute for the unknown or for the angle DCE by deducting 99 and 63 from 180 degrees. And the answer is 18 degrees. Therefore, angle DCE is equal to 18 degrees. So there you have it. I hope you learned something new today. And if you are a parent or a teacher who wants to make math visual and easier to understand for your kids and your students, I have the perfect on-demand webinar for teachers and parents. It's entitled How to Teach Children Singapore Math. Here you will be introduced to Singapore math and you will learn how to teach preschoolers, grades 1 to 3 and grades 4 to 6 students the Singapore Math Way. If you are interested, you can scan the QR code that we have here. Now, if you want your students or children to master the bar model method, I have the perfect book for you. This is the Singapore Math Bar Model Method, from beginner to advanced level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to the videos of the answers and the discussion of the word problems that we have in the book. If you are interested, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.